नमस्ते फ्रेंड, आप सभी का एक बार फिर से वेलकम। फ्रेंड्स, ऑल इंडिया बैंक ऑफिसर एसोसिएशन ने आईबीए के चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव को एक पत्र 18/4 को लिखा इन रिगार्ड टू नॉन पेमेंट ऑफ इंक्रीमेंट्स फॉर जेआईबी, सीआईबी, सीएआईबी टू ऑफिसर्स एज पर द 9 ज्वाइंट नोट बाय सम बैंक्स। कुछ बैंकों ने 9 ज्वाइंट नोट के अनुसार ऑफिसर्स को जेआईबी एंड सीआईबी के लिए जो इंक्रीमेंट देना है उसके बारे में उन्होंने भुगतान नहीं किया है। इस बारे में आईबीए से कुछ क्लैरिफिकेशन चाहते हैं और इसके लिए आईबीए ने एक पत्र लिखा। वी हैस्टन टू ड्रॉ योर काइंड एंड अर्जेंट अटेंशन इन द कैप्शन सब्जेक्ट द ऑफिसर्स मेंबर्स was very happy to note that it was agreed in 9 joint note to provide 2 increments in the scale of pay of officers for completing passing CAIB. We have been informed by the units of the some banks that second increments for CAIB is not being paid in the case of officers who have already acquired the same and are on maximum of the scale of pay in their respective scale. Many officers, including senior executive of the banks, have not been paid second increment for passing CAIB Part 2 at the time of arrear payments. While the provision on the payment of the 2 increments has been unambiguously contained in the joint note, but the same has been not paid to the referred to IBA for further clarification. We may quote the provision contained under the clause 1, 4th and 2nd and 3rd here under. Clause 2nd says that provided further that in case of where an officer as on date of this settlement has already acquired or shall acquire hereinafter JAIB, CAIB for CAIB and CAIB Part 2 after reaching top maximum of the scale of the pay in case of JAIB and CAIB or after reaching the stage which is first stage less than maximum of scale of pay in case of CAIB JIB Part 2 and has not earned increments otherwise entitled on account of acquiring such qualification when there is no increments to provide in the scale of pay of those employees. The stagnation increments in such case may be advanced by 1 year or 2 years as the case may be. Further, clause point 3 third says that provided further that officers who were in the service of the banks as on 1st November 22 have already completed CIIB if shall be eligible for second increments from 1st November 22 of date of passing CAIIB and CAIB Part 2 whichever is later. Hence, may we request you to look into the matter and advise suitably to all banks who sought clarification on this score for payment of second increments for CAIB to all eligible officers who are on the stagnation by advancing the available stagnation to all those officers. We await your timely response in the matter. जिन बैंकों ने आईबीएस से क्लैरिफिकेशन मांगा है सीएआईबी के लिए पास करने के लिए सेकेंड इंक्रीमेंट के लिए, एआईबीओ ने सीईओ आईबीए से रिक्वेस्ट किया है कि उन बैंकों को जल्द से जल्द क्लैरिफिकेशन दें ताकि जो बेनिफिट ऑफिसर्स को मिलना है सेकेंड इंक्रीमेंट का वो उन्हें टाइमली मिल जाए। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार।